So I think AQ is something which can definitely be measured, but not through your traditional interviews, I would say. Right? Instead of asking a question about, tell us what you do, the question should be, tell us about a time when things that you stopped working. How did you handle a challenge, or how did you deliver on a difficult feedback? They don't talk about the real things. Or if you ask, what is your weakness? The answer would be somewhat, and this is what even I tell people, in a manner which indirectly hints to your strengths. Right? So we have presumed or polished or nurtured the minds in a manner where the actual pointers don't come out, and that's where all of the institutions come into play. Why? Because they have to also impart experiential learning. You know, give them case studies because that will show you how they're able to manage a conflict situation. Right? Give them case studies on cross functional issues.
How much they are ready to move forward in life. A simple question. When I take this question, when I attempted, and the half paragraph report I got on this one question, I was just blown up. What's this? So I think these kind of questions can just add on back, thinking about, because these are standard questions in interview. आप अपना प्रोफाइल दीजिए, इंट्रोडक्शन बताइए, गुड क्वालिटीज बताइए, बैड क्वालिटीज बताइए. And the child already prepared everything to ChatGPT, and they're good with the answers. But these questions, they are
individual program. As there is a problem from grassroots. So especially private university sector, because mostly now out of 1,200 right, most of the GR is being driven by these private units. As there is the problem. So it is going on. So we have parents walking to the campus. The moment he comes with his word, a student, from a student to a customer starts with the way guard, greets them. And then, I'll tell you our example. So then there will be 3-4 guard who will be taking them to the polo car. And then polo cart will take them to the reception. Then we will to the reception, and we will have overchillers counting team members which is there to have a notional garland. वो garlanding हो जाएगी उनके, and by the time he leaves the campus, is converted to a customer. Balance lies somewhere else. Why we may have on papers all those strategies etc. ये करा लो वो करा, वो process को कहीं ना कहीं से break करते वो करना पड़ेगा.